Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. We're back today to talk about the July 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month was the July 31st debris flows that occurred over the Grizzly Creek Fire burn scar. This burn scar is located along I-70 in Glenwood Canyon, and as a result of the terrain that we're dealing with and the heavy rain rates that we received with storms that day, we had numerous debris flows that occurred across the region. We had some significant damage that occurred to the interstate, and it was closed for over 2 weeks due to cleanup operations. They had debris piles that were around 17 feet tall over the roadway and very large boulders that moved onto the interstate. The Hanging Lake Trail was also considerably damaged and is still closed at this time. And there's just some pictures from the debris on I-70 and the damage to the Hanging Lake Trail. Looking at temperatures across the region for the month of July, high temperatures, it was a really hot month. We had our hottest temperature of 109 degrees at the Canyonlands Airport. Grand Junction set an all-new, all-time record high for a day with 107 degrees on July 9th. We also had highs in the triple digits for Montrose, Craig, Cortez, Vernal, and Rifle. The coldest high temperature was 92 degrees at the Aspen Airport, again on July 9th. Looking at low temperatures across the region for July, low temperatures were generally in the mid to upper 40s to the mid to upper 50s across the region. Canyonlands had the hottest or most mild cold temperature, Grand Junction, with 58 degrees on the 15th. Canyonlands in Moab, they hit 56 degrees on the 14th. The coldest low temperature was 42 degrees at the Aspen Airport. Looking at precipitation for July, with the monsoon moisture that we had, we saw some much needed precipitation across the region. Unfortunately, though, depending on where you were, some of the areas were still below normal for the month. We had the Craig Airport, which received the least amount of precipitation with only 0.15 inches, which was over 3/4 of an inch below normal. Grand Junction, we ended the month with 1/2 inch, which was just under 1/10 of an inch below normal. The most precipitation fell at the Durango Airport with 2.74 inches, which was over 1.5 inches above normal. The Vernal Airport also recorded over 2 inches of precipitation for the month. Looking at the latest state of the drought, thanks to the moisture that we received during the month, we are currently seeing some improvement. There is still the extreme to exceptional drought across portions of northwest Colorado and eastern Utah, but we did see some significant improvement in the southwest region of the forecast area, especially the San Juans, and now we have anywhere from the abnormally dry or D0 drought to the severe D2 drought across that region. So hopefully we will continue to see this improvement. And looking at the September outlook, since we're almost to that month anyways, looking at temperatures right now, odds are favoring above normal temperatures for eastern Utah and northwest Colorado for September. And the same areas are expected to see odds are favoring below normal precipitation for those areas. Elsewhere in the forecast area, there really isn't any guidance favoring above or below normal precipitation or temperatures at this time. And that wraps up our July 2021 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all next month. Bye, guys.